Hi, today I'm going to discuss about the principle of the complementary and the duality theorem. Principle of duality and complementary theorem. So, uh, first of all, principle of duality. So here, the principle of the duality theorem is states that starting with the Boolean relation, and you can change with another the Boolean relationship. So this is by the principle of the duality. The first one, by changing the R sign to N sign, by changing the or sign to and sign. And next one is by changing the end sign to or sign. And last one is the complementary of 0 or the complementary of 0 or 1 appearing in the any expression, any complementary expression, 0 or 1 is appearing in the expression. So these three terms, these three fundamentals are used in the duality theorem. So, for example, find the dual of following expressions. Following expressions. So, first one is x plus x bar y bar plus x bar z bar whole bar. So this is the Boolean expression. So we can find by using the principle of the duality theorem. So in duality theorem, we can change the R sign to N sign in this Boolean expression, and N sign to R sign, or 0 or 1. So here here x into, so this is R sign, this is R sign, so R sign is changed to the N sign, so into x bar plus y bar, this is the R sign. R sign is completely R sign is changed to N sign, and here x bar plus z bar, this is the whole bar. So this Boolean expression is completely changed in duality theorem. So, and the next example is v w and x plus v w y z plus w x y plus v x y z. So this is the Boolean expression. So this Boolean expression, the end operation and or operation, or the combination of the end operation and or operation of the Boolean expression. So by using the duality, by using the duality theorem, we can change by using end operation is changed to or operation. I mean, end sign is changed to or sign. Or sign is changed to end sign. So we can change v plus w plus x into b plus w plus y plus z into w plus x plus y into v plus x plus y plus z. So this is the result. This is the result of duality expression. So the next theorem is complementary theorem. So in complementary theorem, so next one is the principle of complementation. The principle of complementation. For every binary element here, for every binary element, a equals to 1 and a bar equals to 0. Okay, this is the first this is the first expression, and the next one is the complementary property of AND operation is AND sign is equals to a into a bar equals to 0, and the complementary property of or sign means plus equals to a plus a bar equals to 1. So these three terms are changed to or operation 2. I mean, so first one is a equals to 1. So the every element it changes for every element to change a equals to 1 and a bar equals 0. And next one is and sign means into. So a into a bar is equals to 0. And the third one is or sign. The or sign is plus. So a plus a bar equals to 1. These are these three are using in complementation theorem. So for example, the to obtain the complement of the following Boolean expression, b bar c bar and d plus b plus c plus d whole bar plus b bar c bar d bar and e. So this is having entire bar. So this is the Boolean expression. This Boolean expression is changed. We will change in by using the complementary theorem. So the next step is here b bar into c bar into d whole bar into b plus c plus d bar whole bar into, so b bar into c bar into d bar into e whole bar. So here double bar is cancelled, and the next step is b plus c plus, here also double bar b bar this is whole bar, so b double bar, and here also c bar, this is c bar whole bar, and this is also double bar, and only this one d bar. So into, so the b plus c plus d into b plus c plus d plus e bar. So this is the complementary expression. This is the complementary expression. So here this is boolean expression. This boolean expression in the end operation is the end sign is changed to the or sign, and or sign is changed to end sign. These two rules are applied in this equation, in this boolean equation. So the here the b here hold bar. So the this is the or operation. So the or operation is converted to end operation, and the end operation is converted to or operation here. So this is the one of the example of the complementary theorem. So the next topic is continue on next class.